how to get into affiliate marketing if you're a complete beginner. I have been doing affiliate marketing since 2017, and in this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step tutorial you need to do in order so you can start with this business model. So first of all, I have a free affiliate marketing training. If you want to get access, you can click the first link in the description. So first of all, we need a main core product to promote. You can go to this website, clickbank.com. This is an affiliate marketplace, and you can find here products to promote in almost any niche. The main core niches that you need to choose are the make money niche, relationships, and health and fitness. We have here another example, Digistore24. This is similar to ClickBank. You can find products to promote, but I like to promote high ticket products because I can make higher commissions. For example, this is a high ticket product. This is an online training. The name is Freedom Accelerator, and teaches people how to start an affiliate marketing business from complete scratch using the 5-second silent method, which is a traffic strategy to drive traffic to your sales funnel or your 24/7 sales system. So basically this is the training, and as you can see, we have here all the lessons. I'm going to show you another example, which is Legendary Marketer. This is a 15-day challenge. So the price of this challenge is $7, and the price of the 72-hour challenge is $9. And basically, we promote a high ticket product through a challenge because it has a low barrier of entry. And once people put their information, for example, in the opt-in page to access the challenge, so we basically send a referral to that company, and if that referral buys in the future, we can make that commission. Now, the way to promote these products is through our affiliate links. For example, this is my dashboard for the 72-hour challenge, and if I scroll down, you can see these are my affiliate links, and the link that I promote is the 72-hour challenge opt-in page. And if someone put their information on that page, I'm going to have here another referral, and if that person buys, that person is going to convert into a customer, and I'm going to have here more commissions. Now, to promote a high ticket product or a digital product with affiliate marketing, it's important to build a sales funnel. So, and I have been using the software, the name is ClickFunnels, and as you can see, I have here the funnels that I use to promote products, and I'm going to show you this one, the 7 steps to becoming a super affiliate ebook. So basically, a funnel is a series of steps to guide your visitors through the entire sales process. And we need to give something in exchange for the email, and that is called a lead magnet. So in this case, I'm giving away a free ebook. Also, you can give, if you want, a free course or a free PDF. And basically, this opt-in page is going to help me to collect a name and an email, and it's important to build this and put this opt-in page before your affiliate offer, so you can collect that information and then redirect the people who put their information on your opt-in page. You are going to redirect those people to your affiliate offer once you have collected the information. So check this out. We have here a good hook. So this is super critical to have a good hook, so people can see what they are going to get on this page. And then when they click this button, this pop-up appears, and I can collect the name, the email and their phone number if they want to write it there. Then they will see a picture of the ebook, more information, and my own photo, because I want people to know that I'm promoting this product. Then the next step is that people will get access to the second page, in which I tell them that please check their email because I'm going to send that ebook. And the third step is the bridge page. So here people are going to find more information. Also, I have here a video in which I explain people the next steps they need to take in order they need to do to start learning the skills about how to make money with high-ticket affiliate marketing. And when they click this button, get started today, they will be clicking my affiliate link, which is exactly this link, the 72-hour challenge opt-in page. And if they put their information, I'm going to have here another referral. And if they buy, I can make more commissions by referring people to this training, the 72-hour challenge. So the next step is that people don't buy at the first interaction. That is why it's important to send emails to nurture them with valuable information, and you need to send your affiliate link through email. So check this out. I have collected 1,239 emails. Today I have two more contacts, and basically I'm going to click on tools and automation. So this is another software. The name is GetResponse, and I use it for the email sequences. And as you can see, I have here my workflows. So these are automation workflows. And for example, in this workflow, the Freedom Accelerator, I have 120 people in progress going through this email sequence. So basically, when someone puts their information on that opt-in page, that information is going to go to a list inside of GetResponse. And when that happens, GetResponse is going to send these two emails, which is a free welcome message, and the other is my own story. Then it's going to wait for 1 day to send the message number 2, and so on and so forth. GetResponse is going to send all these emails. And basically, this is the 24/7 sales system, because you are just sending traffic to an opt-in page, and if those persons buys through your affiliate links, you can make commissions in the front end. But if they don't buy, you can make commissions in the back end through email marketing. So check this out. I have here free trainings. So this is a free training, this is another free training, and then I start to promote my YouTube channel. So here people are going to find a link inside of the email, which is going to redirect them to a YouTube video. Here's to promote another YouTube video. With this email, I promote TubeBuddy, which is a software to do keyword research. Here I promote the 72-hour challenge. Here I promote Secrets of Success, which is a training about mindset of Russell Brunson. And you need to start adding more emails to promote multiple affiliate products, more offers, to help people to go from a point A, which is a point of massive pain, to a point B, which is basically their goal. So that is how you can start your own affiliate marketing business. You need a main core product. You need to build an opt-in page. Then you need to find supporting offers to help your customers, and you're going to help them by sending valuable information through email marketing. And also you need to put your affiliate links inside of the emails. So as you can see, it's important to have all of these components to succeed with affiliate marketing. So you need a really good product, a really good offer, and then supporting offers. Now, if you don't know how to build this entire ecosystem of products inside of the 72-hour challenge, you can learn how to use software to build. Basically, you can copy and paste a done for you system using an unfair tool. And I'm going to show you this tool right now. The name is funnelfreedom.io. And here you need to copy and paste your affiliate links inside of one simple page, and then drive traffic to an opt-in page to collect emails. And this software is going to send all the emails to promote multiple affiliate products and offers. And also you can give away a free course in exchange for the email, and the free course is inside of this software right here and on sites on this page. So but right now I'm going to show you. I'm going to click affiliate link settings. So check this out. I'm promoting all of these products: the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator, Funnel Freedom, which is the software secret of success, System.io is a funnel builder, Legendary Marketer is a high ticket product, Get Response is the software that I will show it to you that I use for email marketing, Repurpose.io is another software, BidIQ, and I'm promoting all of these products with this done for you system by just sending traffic to this funnel. So funnelfreedom.io, this is similar to ClickFunnels. So you can build an entire ecosystem of products using only this software. And this is the funnel that I'm promoting. And as you can see, it has, this is the free course. It has 7 modules, and I'm driving traffic to this opt-in page. And when people click this button, I can collect the name, the email, and their phone number. And once I have that information, funnelfreedom.io is going to send all the emails inside of this automation workflow. So basically, I didn't need to build this entire ecosystem of products, because this is a done for you system that is already set up, and we just need to copy and paste our affiliate links and then drive traffic to the opt-in page. So check this out. These are the northern sequence, and I have right now 11 people enrolled on this welcome sequence, and then they will go to the 60-day northern sequence, to the first one, and we have here all these northern sequence to promote multiple affiliate products and offers. So the products that I just showed it to you, and that is how you can utilize this software to start promoting multiple products and offers, which I think is a really good idea if you don't know how to build this entire ecosystem of products using ClickFunnels and give the response. And also, if you don't have too much time, because it takes time and effort to build a system to promote products. So now this done for you system is for the make money online niche, because you are promoting high ticket products, you are promoting software to help people make money online. I'm going to put another link in the description if you want to get access to this system, funnelfreedom.io. You can use a 14-day free trial if you want to check it out by yourself. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. Talk to you soon, and God bless.